Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you register for Traders League 2024 of Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to join or register the Traders League, you just simply have to open your Binance application. And after opening the Binance application, you will get to see this Binance icon into the top left corner. Tap into that option, and after tapping into Binance application, you will get to see this option of Traders League 2024 into recommended section. Tap to Traders League 2024 and then you will get to see this Binance Traders League option. I just have joined before making this video, that's why it is saying you are registered for a campaign. But if you haven't, you just simply get to see the option of register now in the place of this you are registered for the campaign. Just simply tap to register and then you will successfully be registered for Binance Traders League, and you will get the chance to win a share of up to $10 million in crypto rewards. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.